Ada, I may not have money now, but I will take care of you. Just believe in me.
Take care of me with what? Empty promises. I cannot suffer in this village with you.
I am hardworking. One day things will change.
I am not waiting for your one day. I want a man from the city, a rich man.
So love now depends on money.
In this life, money is everything.
I've been seeing a lot of people complain that they can no longer access Grok AI like before, because now it is paid. And honestly, not everybody wants to start paying just to create images or videos. But what if I tell you there is another AI tool that is completely free and can even do more than Grok AI? In this video, I'm going to show you how to use this free AI tool to create images, turn them into videos, and even make your characters talk without paying anything. So if Grok AI is no longer working for you or you're looking for a better free option, just keep watching. Let's get into it.
So to get started, all you need to do is to come to Google and type Google VEO Google VEO. Okay, so this is it here. Let's type Google VEO. Now this is, just look at the one that has Google Workspace. Okay, and then click on it. So once you click on it, you're going to be welcome to this interface. Now if you look above here, click on sign in to VEO. So once you click on sign in to VEO, of course you're to choose an email you want to work with. So I'm just going to choose this one right here. Okay, guys, the amazing thing is that you're literally going to be using Google VEO. Like, if you've ever worked with Google VEO, you're going to know that this is amazing, guys. And you're going to be focusing here. You can see VEO 3.1. This is the one you're going to be working with. It's highlighted for you already, literally free of charge. This is the landscape, the portrait, and blah blah blah. So just cancel this for now. Now let me walk you through around the workspace so you can literally know where to go and where not to go, right? And you are working. Okay, if you come over to the right hand side here, you can, if you want to make your video, all you need to do is to tap on this place, and you're going to be working with Google VEO, guys. Now you can literally do your voiceover here. You can generate image with Nano Banana, guys. If you've ever worked with Nano Banana, you know it's amazing. Okay, I'm also going to be showing you how to generate image here, how to do your video. Like, I literally did that video. The video you just watched, I did it right here. I generated the images here, did the video here, and I was able to get up to 8 minutes. Okay, so you can record here. You can do a lot of things. You can type, like, this is the whole Google Workspace. You can type here anything you want to do. Okay, so our focus here is literally how to create videos. Okay, so we are going to be starting by creating an image. Tap on the image. Okay, once you tap on the image, you're going to be welcome to this box here. This box is where you're going to be typing your prompt, right? So if you come down here, you can see your aspect ratio, your 1:1 landscape for YouTube video. If you're doing YouTube video tutorial, for that matter, long videos, you literally use 16:9. Okay, so because I'm working on YouTube, I'm going to be choosing this landscape because it's a long video, right? Now they say describe your idea. Okay, now I started creating a video about two cartoon characters. The guy is literally, you watch the video now, so we are literally going to do a continuation of that video. Okay, the lady said in the video that money is everything, so I'm literally going to go to ChatGPT because ChatGPT is where I started my work with. So let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, let's go to ChatGPT. Okay, so I have literally created this dialogue with this tool I'm talking about now, guys. Okay, now I'm not going to tell ChatGPT to give me a continuation of the dialogue. Okay, that follows. Okay, so I'm just going to send it and see what ChatGPT is going to give to us. Remember, we want to create an image. I want to show you how you can literally create an image in this Google Workspace. Okay, now it says continuation of story with dialogue scene to the departure. Lady excited packing. I cannot waste my life here. Lagos is where destiny changes. Be careful, not everything that shines there is good. I will be fine. I know what I want. Okay, now this scene is where the lady was actually trying to go to Lagos. Now it says pixel art cartoon style Igbo village setting, fair skin village holding blah 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 girl blah 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 blah. Okay, this is a scene with her friend, and then this is Lagos is not what I expected. Nothing is free here. If you don't have money, you will suffer. This is an image prompt for that scene as well. So I'm just going to let's walk through this one first. So I'm just going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy this and go back to the workplace there. And then I'm just going to input this. Okay, we've selected the aspect ratio, and ChatGPT of course knows I'm working with YouTube. That's giving me aspect 16:9 aspect ratio. So just hit on this place right here for you to start generating. Okay, now guys, you literally don't need to pay a dime for you to do this, for you to generate your image and generate your video. This is so amazing, guys. Okay, so you see our image is correct. Save your image, press it down and save your image. I'm just going to save this image right now. So go to Lagos. I'll just save it as about to go to Lagos. And then okay, so we've just created an image like this, right? So let's go back and now make a video with this image we've done. So I'm just going to go back to ChatGPT and copy a prompt for this image we just created. She leaves the village without looking back. Okay, I'm just going to copy the same. Okay, and then I will go back and then you come to the video session here. Okay, now once you come to this village section here, it says create from scratch. Okay, just tap right here and then click on animate an image so you can select the image you just created. So click on add image, agree. So I'm just going to select the image I created, on open, and then here we have our image, guys. So in this place I'm just going to input my dialogue prompt. Okay, so if you're wondering how I'm able to make this dialogue video, do well to check my channel. You're going to see a video, like an elaborate video. I think that video is up to 44 minutes. I did an elaborate video on how to create an AI movie that is as long as 30 minutes, any minute of your choice. How to make them consistent, how to make them have the same voice, like from beginning to start, how to generate your image, your idea, and everything. Just check out that video, okay? So just hit on generate. Now it is generating. Just hold on patiently, it is generating. Now, one thing I love about this website is that it does not stress you. It is just straightforward. It is literally straightforward. You can do your video, generate your image, everything in one space. You don't need to start going any other place to start looking for where to generate your image, and then you look for another place to animate it. Like, you can literally do everything all in one place. Okay, so it
I
is
cannot
done.
waste my life here. Lagos is.
Let's
I
play it.
cannot waste my life here. Lagos is where destiny changes. Be careful. Not everything that shines there is gold. I cannot waste my life here. Lagos is where destiny changes. Be careful. Not everything that shines there is gold.
I'm
Not
just going
everything that
to
shines
press
there is
it and
gold.
save it again.
I cannot waste my life here.
Let's generate another one, or let's do another one.
I can.
Okay, we'll go back to ChatGPT. Now this is another scene. Let me just continue with this one. So let's generate it.
I will be fine. I know what I want. Lagos is not what I expected. Nothing is free here. If you don't have money, you will suffer. I will be fine. I know what I want. Lagos is not what I expected. Nothing is free here.
If you don't have money, you will suffer.
So what just happened there is I did not generate another image. I was supposed to generate another image for that. I will be fine. But because the dialogue was just so short, I decided not to generate another image. I believe you understand what I did there. So let's do another part again. Let's do the last part. Okay. Let's generate another image. I'm just trying to do this so that you can get it better. Okay. I made a mistake. I should have stayed. If you don't pay, leave my house. So let's just generate this one. Let's just generate this song quickly. It's already raining here. Let's go back to image. Okay. Paste and then hit run. So it's done generating. I'm just going to save it. Tap and save. Okay, this is where she's in Lagos and she can't even pay house rent again. Remember, you can't, as you're selecting your dialogue to paste in your prompt, it should not be more than 8 seconds. Okay, it should not be more than 8 seconds. My image. And then hit on generate. So our video is ready. Let's play and see.
I made a mistake. I should have stayed. I made a mistake.
If you don't pay, leave my house. If you don't pay, leave my
I made a
house.
mistake. I should have stayed. I made a
If you don't
mistake. I
pay,
should have
leave my
stayed.
house.
Let's regenerate it.
I made a mistake. I should have stayed.
Now, in writing your prompt, always ensure you say they should speak Nigerian English. If your video, if you want them to speak like real Nigerians, speak Nigerian English. Okay, so you can see the English is different from the English of the ones I generated before. The one I generated before is speaking like a normal English. Now you can also go ahead and tell it to give you consistency in voice. Okay, I'm going to in my next video I'm going to be posting. Okay, in my next video I'm going to be talking about how you can actually create consistency in voice, make your characters to have a consistent voice, right? So for now, we're just focusing on how to create video, how to create image, generate image, and make a video with this Google Fits. So let's see what we have, which is different from
I
the
made a
first one.
mistake. I should have stayed.
If you don't pay, leave my house.
Okay, I still don't like this. I still don't like this because of the voice they are using. I am just going to say make make them speak in Nigerian English. Okay, so let's see. You're going to see that it's going to be different now. So it is done generating. Let's see what we have.
I made a mistake. I should have stayed.
If you don't pay, leave my house.
I made a mistake. I should have stayed.
If you don't pay, leave my house.
So you can see this one is now speaking
I
like a
made a
normal Nigerian
mistake. I should have
English.
stayed.
If you don't pay, leave my house.
Now this one is speaking like a normal Nigerian English, and it is the sequence is actually in order. Okay, so one thing about AI is that it may give you what you don't want. You just have to keep on generating and reprompting for it to work. So guys, I'm going to stop here so that the video is not going to be longer than this. All you need to do right now is just go to CapCut and join all your videos together, edit the parts you want to take away, and that is it. And drop at the comment section if you want more AI tools that you can really get, that you can really generate your videos for free, and I'll do another video on that. If you also have another video idea, you can drop at the comment section and I will be willing and able to do that for you. Do want to like this video, share and subscribe to my channel so that whenever I have new videos like this, you're going to get notified. Thank you for watching. Bye.